A travel backpack from OnePlus. For me, the best travel backpack for the year 2018 is this OnePlus travel backpack. I have been concerned about OnePlus phones for a very long time. So, hey guys, my name is Ankit. You're at Ankit Khan's channel, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. We will start a totally new journey every single day, and a nice backpack is actually needed. Backpack is just like an intimate friend of mine. It can be tied to a drawer box. Some part of it was made up of reflective materials, so it can be more safe when we go outside at nights mostly. Those performance also make us feel better when we use it. The backpack provides a capacity of 15.6 inches of laptop, and that really fits me well. This backpack was made of a great quality fiber. I'm not sure what exactly it is made out of, as all of the specifications are in Chinese. Here I will tell you one thing. It does have pockets for literally everything. Inside of its 41 into 30 into 10 cm of cell, it has pockets that can fit a OnePlus 2, like two OnePlus phones, one OnePlus power bank, two OnePlus pens, and OnePlus wallets. Really, you can put anything in there that fits the form factor. So kudos to OnePlus for that. Now let's talk about the fabric used in this backpack. So it is made of something nylon polyester type of combination thing. I have no idea what it is made of, but it is something to do with those two fabrics. It is really nice combination of fabrics though. Nothing that irritates the skin when wearing this backpack, and still it managed to be light. So I will make sure to include a link below to where you can find the bag, and if you guys are looking for a really great tech bag that you can use on a daily basis as well as for a quick weekend trip, I definitely recommend looking at the OnePlus travel backpack. So if you guys enjoy this review, please go ahead and give us a like below, and if you haven't already liked, please go ahead and like and also subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos. And that's it for this video guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.